Hello, sweet crew, and welcome to a new episode of
Bake It.
Get your whisk, mixing bowls, and spatulas ready because we're making a red velvet cake with its famous cream cheese frosting. For the cake batter, you'll need flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, unsalted butter, sugar, eggs, buttermilk, cocoa powder, white vinegar, red food coloring. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease two 9-inch pans. In a bowl, sift the flour, baking powder, baking soda, cocoa powder, and salt. Set aside. In a small bowl, mix the food coloring to the buttermilk and set aside. In a large bowl, cream the sugar and the butter. Add one egg at a time and make sure to scrape the bowl clean. Whisk in half of the dry ingredients and half of the red buttermilk. Add the white vinegar to the remaining buttermilk. Add the remaining ingredients and whisk until homogeneous. Scrape the sides of the bowl clean. Pour the batter equally into the pre-greased molds. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. For the cream cheese frosting, you'll need cream cheese, powdered sugar, unsalted butter, whipping cream, pure vanilla extract. In a bowl, cream together the butter, the whipping cream, the vanilla extract, and the cream cheese. Add about half of the powdered sugar and whisk. Add the remaining powdered sugar and whisk until homogeneous. Let your cakes cool for 10 minutes before unmolding and let them cool completely before frosting and decorating. Last step, enjoy! I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go click that like button, comment what you'd like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next week for a new episode of
Easy Peasy Tuesday Squeezy.
Have a wonderfully sweet weekend!